Hi students, welcome to Physics with AI channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding introduction part, mechanical properties of fluids. So in that concept of fluid which we are going to discuss. So what's the meaning of fluid? Fluid is a substance that can flow. So the term fluid which includes both liquids and gases. Both liquids and gases are called fluids. So fluids plays an important role in our day-to-day life. So fluids are everywhere around us, so that we know very well, because this surrounding it has been made up of liquids and gases. So Earth has envelope of air and 2/3 of its surface is covered with water, so which we know very well. So all the process occurring in living things are mediated by fluids. Thus, understanding the behavior and properties of fluids is very important. So, how does fluid is different from a solids? So, which we know very well. So, matter which is made up of solids, liquids, and gases. Then, what's the difference between fluid and solid? Just now we have been said fluid is nothing but liquids and gases. Then, what is common in liquids and gases? Combination of liquids and gases is called fluid. So solids and liquids have a fixed volume, whereas a gas fills with entire volume of its container. So the volume of solid, liquid or gas depends on stress or pressure acting on it. Regarding stress, which you have been discussed, which is nothing but force per unit area. So in the same way, regarding pressure also, which we are going to discuss in detail. So liquids and gases can flow from one place to another place. We talk about the fixed volume of solids or liquids. We mean its volume under atmospheric pressure. So this atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by atmosphere. The difference between gases and solids or liquids is that for solids or liquids, so change in volume due to the change of external pressure is rather very small when compared to gases. Gases can be compressed more when compared to liquids and solids. So solids and liquids have much lower compressibility when compared to gases. The key property of fluids is that they offer very little resistance to shear stress. Regarding this shear stress, we have been discussed in mechanical properties of solids. It is of a million times smaller than that of solids for the same change. So we are not going to consider about the shear stress. So in this chapter, which we are going to consider as an ideal fluids, when we can call it as an ideal fluids. An ideal fluid is an idealized model. It's only just assumption. So which it can obey all these properties. So it can be steady flow, incompressible, non-viscous, and irrotation. So these are the properties of an ideal fluid. But in general, there will be no exact ideal fluid which obeys all these. So density of fluid is treated constant for ideal fluids. So because as if you know very well that which is nothing but, so density rho is equals to which is nothing but, which you can call it as, so mass by volume. So mass by volume. So that's for ideal fluids which you have been taken, density will be treated as a constant. So as if we know that, so no fluid behaves like an ideal fluids. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like it, and then share to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.